something.
It was going fine and it just stopped right there.
That's weird.
Wouldn't go in or out.
That's weird.
Welcome to camping.
Hey guys, Cindy Lynn here, RV Barndominium. So we're at the campsite getting ready to pack up and leave this weekend, and I was rolling the awning in and it just stopped cold turkey in its tracks. So we're trying to figure out what's going on. My dad brought his truck over here so that Tony can climb up and kind of do some troubleshooting. You trying to troubleshoot, Tony?
It's the joys of camping. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. This screw does not want to come out. That is, you gotta be kidding me. All but one, really.
So you got the cap off this end and he doesn't see a motor, so we're going back to the other end.
A way to roll it
Yeah.
manually.
So Tony said the right side of the awning has the motor, so he's working on that right now. Motor and the wiring.
See where the magnet pad on.
Looking straight up at the sun too.
You need your sunglasses?
No, I need a sun array.
Another awning for your awning?
Another awning for the awning. Need it on for the on. Worst goes to worst, you throw 20 in it.
Yeah, you could take the whole motor off.
Yeah, I could take motor off the shaft and then it would free spin.
All right, we're trying the third fuse to see if we can help roll it in manually.
Need that fuse tool. I'm okay.
Ooh.
I'm gonna go up there. I'm gonna do it while you hit.
Okay, we'll try it again.
That. Yeah, Ken, if you want to go on this side and kind of
Push it
push up on the bar.
while he's trying to
And
roll.
I'm going to try to give it the roll. Actually, hit the button.
Hit the button. Okay, nothing.
Go ahead. Oh yeah, it's not going to hurt this neck. I was wondering if it would blow the fuse.
Nope. It will now though.
There's all 3 bolts to hold the thing on. That'd be easy to.
Yeah. Will that wrench of mine do it? That screwdriver I gave
Yeah,
you?
I got one too. Yeah.
Oh.
I got a socket set right there behind you.
What is it? What is it?
You ready?
Okay. Yep. Go ahead.
Here we go. Nope,
Nope.
it just clicked.
It sparked right there.
It oh,
It sparked.
in there?
Yep. We got a short right here.
So we got a short. It might be pinching it.
And that wire there.
All right, so he found out the issue then. It sparked the wire.
As soon as you did it, I saw a spark right
Uh-huh.
Okay. Why don't you let me pull the truck over a little closer to it?
Yeah, so you
It
can
might
look at it.
not be your motor.
Okay, so we found the issue. It's a little dark, sorry. But that metal in this awning arm is cutting right through that
plenty of
wire.
slack up here.
Tony's seen it
there.
spark.
It needs to be pulled down.
Okay, hang on a minute.
We'll
Because it's
see.
hard.
Yeah, so that's
I'm
the
gonna get my
issue.
Pliers and pull
I don't
it
know
out.
how this comes out. I think it's snapped in a little track. See if I can pop that track out.
Yeah, I can see it.
That's
For a
crazy.
bigger screwdriver.
I think I might for this.
Let me get
Yep, there it
Number
is.
one, that whole piece of aluminum needs to be rounded,
Yeah.
not square like that.
Yeah, it
That
needs to be
thing's a
rounded
straight
off.
chop saw.
No, it looks like to me it needs to be cut back some, so it don't
Yeah.
have no chance of rubbing again. Grind it off or something.
Right.
Knock that pin out and grind both sides.
So the issue is down here with this wire, but Tony's seen it spark all the way
All
up
the way
there.
here, where the bolt, it electrified this, it went into the bolt, which finally hit this, which grounded it. And that's where I saw the spark right here. I thought it was rubbed raw right there, but I didn't feel it, and then Kenny saw that one down there.
Sit right there on top. I can't tell. I can see the red wire.
Here's
there,
here's
green
where
wire.
here's where it's bad. That spot right there.
Oh, yeah, that's right there.
Mm.
It's got to be hitting something. But now that it ain't hitting it, it might work.
Yeah.
Lost everybody. Here it goes.
Feet and everything.
That's it. It's going. Yay!
I wanted to get it over out of the way of that other one.
Oh yes!
Think about it now.
Pack it up and let's go home.
Yay! We did. Good job, Tony. Happy Father's Day.
That's all it was.
Well, on Father's Day when we had the problem with our awning, there's a piece of metal on this channel that was cutting into my wire. It cut into the positive wire that goes to the motor for opening the awning, and it grounded itself whenever it touched the metal. It grounded itself, blowing the fuse. We got lucky. This wire was too tight, so I relieved the stress on it. So now it shows and it's loose. Well, I don't care about it. It's fine. It looks fine and dandy. We're going to take a little file off that metal a little bit. It was only one of the two wires, so I was able to put some liquid tape on there to cover it up so it's not exposed, and it was fixed. Now, what would you do though? How would you close your awning though if you had to travel? So you might want to make a note to either print out what awning you have and put it in your file inside your camper while you're traveling so that you'll have the information. We couldn't even look up the make and model of this one to find out there was a manual override to manually close it. Some of the awnings do have that, ours does not. One of the things we could have done is if we would have took that upper cap off when we had it off, there was 3 bolts that held the motor on. I could have taken out those 3 bolts, pulled the motor off the shaft, rolled it back up, put the motor back on the shaft, and then put the bolts back in. We were almost fixing to do that whenever we finally saw the actual problem, when we saw the spark, which at that point we knew was an electrical grounding issue. We had a short, so we got lucky. So yeah, be sure and gather up all the information of any part and pieces of your motorhome that you have. Put it in a file inside your camper so you'll have it, and then you can jump on the internet, hopefully, and look up issues, look up manufacturer's recommendations and or manufacturer's phone numbers so you can call their help desks. So yeah, hope we don't have to have the problem again. See y'all later.